When you need to combine two videos together for a pre-recorded lesson, you can use Video Editor. To access Video Editor, type Video Editor in the search box on your taskbar. When the Video Editor opens in the top left corner, you can begin a new video project by selecting the New Video Project button. You'll then type the name for the project. You can then add videos to the project library by selecting the Add button in the top left corner. Then select the videos from the folder you have saved them to and select Open. Once the videos are in your project library, you can add them to your storyboard by selecting Place in Storyboard. When the videos are on the storyboard, you can finish the video by selecting the Finish Video button in the top right corner. Select Export, choose a location to save the video, and when the video is finished, you can upload it to Stream for your students to view.